Shape of water molecule. Another important point. Explain the shape of water molecule. Even though oxygen atom is sp3 hybridized and expected a tetrahedral structure, why the angle of oxygen hydrogen is only 104 degree 5 minutes? 5 marks question. Therefore, in water molecule, the central atom, that is oxygen, 1s2, 2s2, 2px2, 2py1, 2pz1, possess 6 valence electrons. Among these, 2 unpaired, that means gets shared with the valence electrons of the 2 hydrogen atoms, resulting in the formation of 2 OH covalent bond. That is, this 2 electrons out of the 6 electrons, 4, 2, 4 and 1 here and 1 here. One is used for the bond with the bond formation, that is the bond pair, and another one is used with the hydrogen, another bond pair. The other 4 electrons are lone pairs. These are lone pairs. They are not taking part in the bonding. That is, these are called lone pairs. This is one lone pair, and this is another lone pair. And this is two. These are bond pair. Oxygen hydrogen is a bond pair. The electrons here in between is a bond pair. Oxygen hydrogen another one. These 2 electrons are bond pair. Therefore, see that thus the oxygen atom possesses 2 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs. These are the bond pairs. 2 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs. Due to mutual repulsion, these valential electron pairs get orient themselves in a tetrahedral geometry around the central oxygen atom. Shape of oxygen water molecule. It is a tetrahedral geometry, but it becomes distorted tetrahedral geometry based on the explanation of the Vesper theory. Therefore, the oxygen atom occupies the center and the 2 hydrogen atoms occupy the 2 corners of a regular tetrahedron. These are the 2 hydrogen atom occupies the 2 corners of a regular tetrahedron. And the corners of a regular tetrahedron, the remaining 2 corners of a regular tetrahedron is occupied by the 2 lone pairs as shown. These are the 2 lone pairs. It should be shown in the diagram that 2 lone pairs are occupying the 2 corners. The 2 lone pairs of electron present on the central atom strongly repel the OH bond. This is a lone pair. This is a bond pair. The lone pair bond pair repulsion is there. And here there is lone pair repulsion is there. Here lone pair bond pair repulsion is there. By looking at the diagram, please understand all kinds of repulsions. Lone pair repulsion 1. This is the lone pair repulsion. Both are lone pairs. And this is lone pair, this is bond pair. Therefore, second type of repulsion is lone pair bond pair. Now here OH and OH both are bond pairs. Therefore, another type of repulsion, bond pair. All kinds of 3 repulsions are there in the water molecule. The 2 lone pairs of electron present on the central atom strongly repel the OH bond pairs. Since the lone pair bond pair repulsion is more than the bond pair repulsion, the normal angle of 109 degree 28 in a tetrahedral geometry decreases to 104 degree and 5 minutes, and the tetrahedral geometry gets distorted. This is the give reason question. Why the tetrahedral geometry of water molecule is distorted? A simple question. If it is 1 mark question, you can just explain with the Vesper theory. The resulting geometry is regarded as, another question, bent or angular. These predictions can be explained by Vesper theory. As well as with the observed fact, we can explain water molecule is really found to be bent or angular with hydrogen bond angle equal to 104 degree and 5 minutes is due to lone pair repulsion and lone pair and bond pair repulsion, because these three are the main reasons. The bond pair repulsion is having only a minimum repulsion. In order to reduce the angle, these two factors are the most important one. Other examples are hydrogen sulfide and OF2 and SCl2. Therefore, for the examination, they can ask, in hydrogen sulfide, why the angle is 104 degree and 5 minutes. It is not necessary that they have to give you the example of water itself. Therefore, compared to water, study the other example also.